Good morning. Welcome to nesting season. Excuse my crazy hair. This is about the only way I could comfortably get out of my face. I have less than a month now until baby day. 25 days as of today, to be exact. I've got an iced coffee. I've got limited air flow to my lungs. And I've got all of this stuff to go through. Oh my goodness. My goal today anyway is to empty out this playpen. Gonna get that put together tonight. My boyfriend has to make some adjustments to it before I can put it together, but I'm gonna take out the toys and the mat, get them cleaned. I've got tons of boxes and baskets here for organizing. Anything that needs to be cleaned and or disinfected will go into the kitchen. I've got a laundry hamper over that way for anything that needs to go in the wash. And my goal is to get this playpen as well as a diaper station set up today. I've cleared off my dining table respectively. Yep. So I'm just gonna lay it all out and start sorting.
I can feel how I'm changing. I don't know if I'll ever go back. All the ways that you make me, build me up on the things I lack. I don't ever wanna lose you now. 'Cause I don't think I'll make it here without. 'Cause it's you and only you. 'Cause it's you and only you. I don't know where the time goes, it just flies when I hold you close. In my arms with your eyes closed, for the first time I've got hope. I don't ever wanna lose you now. I don't think I'll make it here without. I don't ever wanna lose you now. I don't think I'll make it here without. 'Cause it's you and only. 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 Because it's you and only you.
She is empty. So this is where I'm at with the sorting. So this big box already had blankets in it. These are all my mom's handmade blankets. So I'm just gonna leave them in there because it's a very cute blanket box and the blankets are already clean. These two boxes I don't really have a purpose for just yet. These are all the cleaned baby infant type toys. This little container is clean and sterile, and I've got cis clips in there right now, but this is where all the soothers are and other cis clips. Basically, cis accoutrement is all gonna go. This basket I'm gonna make into a like bedtime basket for the bedroom. These are all the spare sheets and change covers for the playpen. And then everything in this basket is gonna have to go into the diaper bag once we get home from the hospital. So this stuff I'm just gonna be storing for right now because this is all just diaper bag stuff. Oh, I'm out of breath. Okay, so the playpen is set up. It's obviously not going to be the baby's like nighttime spot. We're going to have him in a bassinet in our bedroom, but with a toddler and such, I just we're not going to have a separate nursery for this one like we did with our first. So we wanted a space outside of the bedroom where we could easily do bum changes, set up like a bottle station at nighttime, and then during the day this can be nap time. All right, so it's the next day. It ended up being like really late and really dark when I did my diaper caddies, so the lighting was not really good enough for me to film it, but I will show you what I've put together. So first things first, I've got this little one for the bedroom. This is just going to be for bedtime routine stuff. So just the little Dr. Seuss spit blankets here, a couple diapers, some butt cream, a PPTP, baby lotion, baby powder, some saline solution, and then once I get the other snot sucker, the Munchkin snot sucker cleaned, then that's going to go in here with the saline. Oh yeah, and a pack of wipes. And then this monster is going to be for the entire change station over there. The Frida Baby snot sucker right there. In this pocket, I've got a bunch of PPTPs. I know a lot of people aren't fans of these, but I've mentioned it in like past baby videos, especially with my first, that I personally do really, really like them. I've got a little scalp scrubber here. I do also have to still put a thermometer and nail clippers in here. Little diaper accoutrement. I forgot how tiny newborn diapers are. They're so fucking small. It's 2 packs of wipes in this compartment. Powder, baby oil for cradle cap, saline solution. This one is my favorite, the Otrivin. Got some Vaseline butt cream and some Burt's Bees body cream. A backup swaddle in here, some spit bibs, a backup nightie and onesie, and then a couple fresh t-shirts in here as well. And then in this basket, I have all of the extra playpen sheets and change table covers, and then a shit ton of spit blankets. And then in non-baby stuff, I did also set up my postpartum basket next to the bum basket. So I've got my breast pads, I've got my regular pads, and I've got my giant overnight pads in here. And then when I get back from the hospital, I will be putting my peri bottle with this. So that is going to be super, super duper. That's already done. Now I don't have to think about it. On to the bedroom. Okay, so these two things are my next project. I've got to wipe this down. I've already washed the seat cover for it and then get that set up somewhere. And the diaper genie I have to clean and put back together. Okay, I finally reached the last step. All I have left to do is the sanitization, disinfecting stuff. So everything in here needs to be washed, and then everything that can be sterilized will go into a pot for boiling. It's not everything in here can be boiled or steamed, so I'm gonna hand wash everything at first. So let's get on that, start washing.
I can feel I'm changing. I don't know if I'll ever go back. All the ways that you make me, build me up on the things I lack. I don't ever wanna lose you now. 'Cause I don't think I'll make you hear me now. 'Cause it's you and only you. 'Cause it's you and only you. I don't know where the time goes, it just flies when I hold you close. In my arms with your eyes closed, for the first time I've got hope. I don't ever wanna lose you now.
Wash the basket, and then everything I'm going to boil I put in here, and that's all the stuff I'm not boiling. So I'm not worrying about the teethers for right now. So I am going to be boiling all of the soothers and the bottle parts.
'Cause it's you and only. 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 Because it's you and only.